ki khubor ka Batisi TV.
Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beach aqua na molai moro hakajing dap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One bantiet ya kakali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Vice President Jongko All India Nigerian Students and Community Association Bangalore u veteran Tochukwu Ikwuka hakakat nyo terik unaiwing arajar arpo ule Ïakynduh ya Menteri Kesorkar Jella ubapej ya kipatok Hamigalia uba Alexander L. Heck ban yakren ne kabenta ban pelaj no ya kikat arngut kinong Nigeria kibala Shah kem bat Shah set patok hakani ke Jella Meghalaya lakum bakatu kat Nepor namar ka jingwan rung bean jongki lingbakari Bangladesh klem kikot kisla babiang ya ubetran lapha khnang da ka High Commission jongkari Nigeria New Delhi hadin bala yo jingtip bakidon kinong Nigeria kibasha set patok hashalong bat hajawai uliyathu bakat kumbo uyo jingtip kidon hadu henriu ngut kinong Nigeria kibala Shah set hakapatok hanong ba shalong bat henriu ngut pat kata saungut kishenrang bat arngut kikenthei kidon hakapatok hajawai uliyathu ru ba ulayo jingtip bakini kila Shah set patok menta hadu henriu benai bat kibabon kila dai ban light no henrei ampat sim la pelait satya yaki wat hadin bala aibor da kaying bisharu.
I'm here representing Nigerian Embassy in New Delhi. Yes, we got a report that so many Nigerians are in Shillong jail. And most of them have finished their cases according to this court order. This order was given in the court of Shiri Mewen, First Class Magistrate, East Janta Hill District. According to this order, all these 6 accused have finished their case of 6 months imprisonment that expired on 28 March 2020. Let the accused person be deported to the respective country and send a copy of order dated 13 February 2020 to the Chief Secretary of Meghalaya and DGP Meghalaya for information necessary. But to our utmost surprise, we haven't gotten any order from Meghalayan State and we haven't gotten any order from External Affairs Ministry too. So the embassy from the order from External Affairs Nigeria, so we got the information that those guys are here. Then we want to, they send me to come and check what is happening exactly. So today I'm here, I'm happy. From the treatment, Shiri I.L. Heck, the Home Ministry of Jail, the treatment he gave us a very good response and promised to swing into action. And the IG of prison, Mr. Kakaji, sorry if I did not pronounce it well. Kaka, yes. So they have promised that they are going to look into the matter and make sure that all the Nigerians that finished their sentence in Shillong, they must follow court order and deport them immediately. So hopefully by tomorrow I'll be going to see them in Shillong jail and Jowai jail and to know about their health status and how they are faring and to hear from them too, so that we make sure that everything is okay. India and Nigeria have good relationship, so we don't want anything to spoil that. But one thing we are requesting is anybody that finish their sentence, please let's follow the court order according to international human rights. You can't keep somebody in jail for over 9 months. They have finished their case since, you can see here on 28 March they have finished their case. From March to November is almost 7 to 8 months. They are just languishing, and information we got is that some of them are sick, some of them are not feeling well. And these people, they are some people's children, irrespective of the crime they commit. Though we are not supporting the crime they committed, we don't know how they managed to cross from Bangladesh to India, and we are not support that. If you want to come to India, you have to tell embassy the purpose you are coming to India. If you are coming under employment, if you are coming under tourism, if you are coming under business, if you are coming under students, if you are coming under med. Right now, I have information of 6 people in Shillong, and I have information of 6 people in Jowai jail. So I have information of 12 right now. So when I meet them tomorrow, I will know exactly, because people they gave me in Shillong are people that have finished their cases. So, and I think that they are still under trial there. So by tomorrow, I'm going to confirm how many under trial is still there and how many, if there is any extra convicted people. So by tomorrow, I've got to know. But right now, I have information of 6 Shillong jail and 6 Jowai jail.
Okay.
In which 6 Jowai jail, they have 4 male, 2 female. And 6 Shillong, they are all male. Those guys, they came to Bangladesh to play football, according to the report we got. But the problem there is that those agents or friends they have in Bangladesh or in Nigeria did not inform them that so place from Bangladesh to so place are international border. Okay. And once in international border, there are protocols to follow. So maybe when they're playing ball, they may thinking it's a minor something. They just want to cross over to see how this place look like. Most of them are ignorant. They are first-time travelers. They don't know what is India, what is Bangladesh. And this regard, the Nigerian government have arrested like maybe 22 agents in Nigeria, those that deceiving those children, because those people, they don't know what they are doing actually. So when you are sending somebody to offshore, you have to brief him. See, if you reach Bangladesh, they are playing football here. You don't go certain place, you don't go certain place. You don't just send somebody, maybe tell him that from New York, from New Delhi, you're going to New York. It doesn't work like that. So we have made inquiry and some agents were arrested too. We are not happy towards that. And we have set a seminar also in Nigeria to brief those mostly first-timers that travel out of Nigeria. The implication of the country you are going, the neighboring country, how we look like, and you have to follow the law of the land. Whether you are going to America, you are going to UK, you are going to India, every country have their law. So whenever you reach that country, try to understand the law and follow their law. And the visa will be issued accordingly. Yes, but these people, according to the report we got, they don't have an Indian visa. They crossed by mistakenly from Bangladesh to India. So we know it's a violation of law in Indian constitution, yes. Let the law of land take its due course. But now they have finished their case of the 6 months imprisonment, on which condition is the Meghalayan government or Shillong jail is still keeping them, on which condition? If it's COVID-19, at least inform the embassy that Nigerians are here and they have finished their case. Then we shall have a communication with you people. Then once COVID-19 is over, then we can book a repatriation flight to send them home. But once you don't give us the report and we don't know that our citizens are in jail and they have finished their case, it's like they abandoned soul. So we don't want something like that to continue happening. So for those that are still in Jowai jail, there are 4 boys and 2 ladies. The information we got, they are still under trial. Please, whenever they finish their cases, immediately, whatever that is Indian law have decided, let them follow it. But so far they have finished the cases, let them be repatriated back to Nigeria immediately. We don't want them to spend extra 1 day here, because according to law, judiciary, they interpret the law. So once they have interpreted it, we have to follow it. Nobody have right to take law into his or her own hand. So once they have finished the case, we request Meghalayan government to take them. So once again, I thank everybody for the hospitality you guys have given us. I landed here since 8:30 in the morning to Guwahati. I have to take a very long road by road with the cab to reach here. I reach around 4 o'clock. So you can see it's a very long journey. But I thank God that everything went successful. And I pray they have promised that they are going to write to the embassy and they have made the communication to be easier. So in subsequent time, we are going to know how it's going to follow. And IG promised that they are going to bring the comprehensive report and they're going to compile them together to separate those that have finished their cases and those that are still on the trial. So those that finish on their cases, they are going to send it to us and also to External Affairs. Those that are still on the trial too, they have to give us the information of them too, so that we can keep a tab on them, so that we make sure that none of our citizens die prematurely here or nothing happens to him. But let them face the law of the land, no problem. But after that, we have to follow what the law says. So far, so good that everything is going well, that they will make sure that or any African or any Nigerian that arrested in Mehalian, they shall immediately contact the embassy to tell him that so-so citizen is being here. So it's their prerogative to take care of the person, and it is our own this thing also to make sure that whoever that finish whatever thing is facing here should go back. So Minister have assured me you have made some necessary arrangement today regarding tomorrow movement and all that, because I will be going back very soon to go and submit the report. But they have assured me very, very well that everything is going to be well, and I believe in the assurance again, because it was very nice. He gave me so much hospitality, he gave me some chai and all this, and some biscuit. You know, he shows me that he welcomed me. So I believe in his statement.